Hi there. We've got another work from home tech tip. It's how to install Zoom. Zoom is a video conferencing service. A lot of us are going to be using that over the next couple of weeks here. So if you are looking for a video conferencing service, I do recommend Zoom. It just seems to be the best at both video and audio in terms of connection and stuff like that. In the screen sharing and remote control works really well. That's the kind of stuff that you really need from a video conferencing service. Works well for one-on-one and for multiple users. So recommend Zoom, and here's how to install it, right? So the way most of you are going to encounter Zoom for the first time is you're going to get a link in a calendar invite like this or something, or an email. You might see something like this. It says join meeting. It's this link, this button, by the way, and this link do the exact same thing. There's a couple of options. If you're on you're traveling or whatever and you can't install Zoom, you can just call from your phone and call into the conference meeting. Obviously, you can't video conference or whatever when you just call in. But for most of us, we're going to be on a desktop, right? And so what you'll do is you'll either click this button or click the link if you get it in an email, something like that, right? And it's going to open like this, like it's trying to install Zoom. That's what it's going to do, right? It's trying to open Zoom here, right? And it's not going to work because we don't have Zoom installed yet. So what you need to do is click download and run Zoom right here, right? It's going to open up a window to let you download it. This is a Mac, but it works the same thing on a PC. I like to download to the desktop because it's easier to find, but download wherever you like. Click save. You'll see that the package comes up just like that. So just click it, open it, right? It's going to tell you it's going to run a program, blah, blah, blah. Click continue. Then it takes a second, and then it's going to install Zoom, just like that. Not too bad, right? Okay, so now Zoom is installed, but you'll notice we don't have any meetings or anything like that in here, right? So what you're going to want to do, if you see something like this, so what you're going to want to do is go back, right? Go back to wherever the link was and click it again. So click the link, and now it's going to say, do you want to open Zoom? And we do, so click open. And after just a second, it's going to join the meeting. So it's a lot easier than typing in the meeting ID. If that doesn't work, you can always type in meeting IDs and stuff like that, right? Now it's going to ask you, do you want to join with computer audio or a phone call? I recommend a computer audio, join with computer audio. It works really well with Zoom. If you've used others video conferencing services, sometimes the computer audio is not very good, and so you want to call in. With Zoom, it's pretty good, and it's just a lot easier to click join with computer audio. If you do want to call, if you have a slower connection or something like that, do call the number, and then you'll just enter in your meeting ID, right? But for most people, probably just join with computer audio, and then you'll be in the Zoom meeting. There's a couple features that are nice about Zoom. You can start, if your video is not on, you click start, and there you go. You can stop the video if you don't want people to see you. You can click stop video. You can share your screen here. Makes it really easy to share the screen, right? That's another useful feature. When you share screen, you can also remote control, so someone else can grab your desktop if you need tech support or something like that, right? There's a chat over here. This chat is really only good for quick stuff. It's not persistent, so it doesn't stay. It doesn't keep a log somewhere. So just, don't use this for like critical stuff, right? But it's pretty good there. You can record your screen here. I recommend recording to your desktop. It's just faster and more reliable. There's also some closed captioning, which I'll go over in another video. So cool, that's Zoom. Take a look at it, recommend it, and this is how to install it.